This video is how to change a Transit Mark 7 13 plate radiator. Most people tell you to remove the cross member and crawl around on the floor. There's 410mm on the cross member, you can just about see them there. It makes it really difficult. Plus you have to remove the viscous fan. The viscous fan has a left-handed thread. I've been trying for ages to undo this and it just won't undo, and I thought there must be a better way, and there is. All you need to do is remove the screws at the top of the bumper. Remove the one bumper screw here. Pull the bumper back. Remove the screws. Remove the screws, Craig.
Yep.
Remove the screws on the left side. There's 310mm. You lift out the power steering reservoir. It's quite stiff. It has the pipes on the bottom. And you lift it out and push it to one side. You remove the bonnet support catch, which is there. Support the bonnet any way you like. Remove the 3 screws from this side, and then because there's no bonnet cable, you can then simply lift this panel out. Chuck the panel to one side. If I pull this panel back, you can see that the one top hose is a clip-on connection. Clips in here and here. There's another radiator hose there, and the cowling can stop with the radiator. There's plenty of room now, as my colleague will demonstrate, to lift the radiator and move it. That's the radiator out, easy. It's probably less than a 15-minute job to fit the radiator, so do not attempt to undo the viscous coupling. You need I think it's a 36 or 38mm spanner, and they're really tight and you end up damaging everything. So that's the job done. Thank you for watching my video.